Alright, so we decided to take a last minute trip to Cesky Krumlov from Prague. It was on our to-do list, but the weather was nice this week. Next week the temperature drops a lot, so we thought, what the hell? Let's just go now, enjoy the good weather. So we bought a couple of train tickets on Cesky Krumlov, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Probably not. Anyway, look up Czech Railways. Tickets were like $7 each, I think. The train looks nice. We're in a compartment with 6 seats, individual temperature control. It's about a 2.5-hour train ride, and we're going to head there for the night and see what there is to do in Cesky Krumlov.
And this is our 3rd day in Prague.
Yeah, that sounds right. Fall is now my favorite season to travel. I like the cool weather, the leaves are changing colors, there's fewer people, it's nice.
We are at Restaurant 99. We ordered food because we were starving after our train ride. I have pork belly, spinach, and dumplings, and it looks really, really good. It was one of the specials for the day, and Garrett has barbecue quesadillas. He was smart and ordered a beer for his, and I ordered a Coke. So now I need to dive in and see what I think. It smells delicious. It smells barbecue-y. That might be Garrett's though. Here is the outside of our hotel on a cute little street. And there is the castle. We are at the Largo Hotel. We booked on Expedia. We paid roughly $77 for the hotel room. We paid $60. We had an Expedia credit. Anyway, we were actually really pleased with the room. It has a desk area. We have a TV, which hopefully we are not even in the room long enough to need that. Stuff to make, tea and coffee, more drawers to put stuff in. We even have a safe and storage, plenty of storage. The only downside I can see is the restaurant or patio to another hotel next door. So hopefully they are not out late partying. And if they are, I guess I need to be out late partying. Looks like we have a queen size bed, a photo or a painting of Cesky Krumlov. The bed feels soft. We have a chair. So now we'll check out the bathroom. It's pretty much everything you would expect in the bathroom. They have a toilet. They have a fairly good shower size, plenty of counter space, a hair dryer, linens, just what you need. And we're pretty happy with our hotel choice.
Our first stop after checking into our hotel in Cesky Krumlov is the cathedral. Our first stop after the cathedral was to go to the center of town where we bought the golden tourist cards. Admission into 5 free places here in Cesky Krumlov. The benefit is these are 400 crowns each. And the cost to do the museum tour at the castle and the monastery tour, just those 2 alone are almost 400 crowns. So if you do those 2, get these, and you got 3 other places you can go for free.
Now we're at the Monastery Museum, part of our tourist card. castle. They have these moat-like areas where there are bears. I believe there are 4 bears here. Here's one. There's water on the other side. You can pass through freely. We came into the castle complex today. We're actually doing a tour tomorrow, but we wanted to get a lay of the land. They have a lot of buildings that have trompe l'oeil and different types of painting to mimic stone. It's still pretty cool. We just left the Egon Schiele Art Centrum. It was included in our city pass. It was a lot of contemporary art, which was really not our sort of thing. If that is your thing, check it out. Otherwise, I'm not sure how much it costs. We got in free. I'll put that on the screen. Also, I'll leave a link to the art center in the description box below. You'll have to decide for yourself. Not a bad view. It's about, what, 6:15, 6:20? Yeah. All of the tourists have cleared out. We just finished dinner and I had the beef cheeks, which were fabulous. Garrett had a rabbit leg. We forgot to film there, so I'll put some photos of our food. And we stopped in on the way back to our hotel at the Terrace Restaurant. We're right along the river. I can see the bridge, and we are getting dessert, which includes, for me, blueberry pancakes and whipped cream and a beer, of course. And Garrett has apple strudel, also a beer and whipped cream. So now we're going to dig in and see what we think. It's very thick. The pancake is much thicker than you would think, or what we're used to. Very good.
So today is day 4 in Prague, but we're actually in Cesky Krumlov, so we'll say day 2 here. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and we are heading into the castle to do the museum and tower tour. We are climbing up the stairs in the tower. There are 162 steps. I am fortunate today that there are no other people, at least so far, so I can go as slow as I like. The other benefit of that is Garrett has tons of time to take pictures. Yep.
Except you're here and you should be at the top taking pictures. Okay. What did you just say?
I'm continuing my slow ascent up the tower.
Oh, I thought you said solo, which could have been possible too. Or it might be possible. Okay, I think we're in the last push here. They are getting a little bit narrower. The spacing is pretty good. And the stair depth is pretty good. There's a cool bell up here. And I believe this is the last push of stairs. Believe it or not, I made it all the way up to the top of the tower today. Garrett, I wasn't worried about me. There's 162 steps getting up there. We were very, very fortunate. There were no tour groups in front of us or behind us, just like 2 or 3 other people. So the view was fabulous, and we'll share that with you now.
Next stop, Castle Gardens.
So we are heading into the Joseph Seidel Museum, Photography Museum, right? And it is part of the gold card, so we're getting in for free.